data entry job, you can earn up to $600 per month. I will also show you 3 great websites where you can find data entry opportunity that work worldwide. What I love this online work is that when you get it, it is recurring. So far you are capable of doing it and you are constant in it. To get started, you need basic skills in Microsoft Word and Excel. These tools are essential and will make your work easier. But first, what is data entry? Data entry is the process of entering data and updating information into electronic service or database. An individual that enters data does so by directly inputting data into a company database with a computer, mouse, keyboard, or other data entry tools. So before I start showing you guys the websites that I'm talking about that you can find data entry job, my name is KingSomy. Here online I show people step by step on how they can make it online. I also provide tips and guides that you can follow for you to be able to leverage in whatever skills you have in terms of money making. So the first website that I'm going to talk about that is on my screen here is. So guys, here on my screen, let's go to the sites that I'll show to you guys where you can easily apply for data entry jobs. So here in the first site I'll show to you guys is this Flex Jobs. Flex Jobs, you can see that these jobs here, there are many jobs here about data entry. This one, Senior Claims Operation Business Analysis. It is 100% remote work. You can work anywhere and be accessible to the job. It is full time. What they are paying the annually is $66,000 to $107,000. It all depends on you. You have to go through their requirements, and you have to look through their requirements and know whether you have the skills that are required from you. You see what they required from you, and if it matches what you have, the skills you have, you can apply, and you guys and the employee will schedule how the job is going to be. And it is all this, some of this thing is full-time remote work. The second one I'm going to show to you guys is this one. It's called Fiverr.com. Here on this Fiverr, people like you that have data skills, data entry skills, they can earn $20, $40, $50. It depends on how professional you are in this field of work, in this data entry work. Okay, let's click on this person's own and see how their modus operandi, how he works. Let's click here. You see what I'm telling you guys? This guy, the 2 hours data entry work, he charges $20. 10 hours data entry work, it charges $30. And what I'm showing you guys this thing is that you look into these people's packages, how they package their information, then you use it to edit your own so that your own will stand out. Like these guys, you see that he's in level 2 and data entry gig. And the third one that I will show to you guys is in this data entry gig is Upwork. Let's go to people that post work you can apply for. Yeah. Let's go to jobs and click enter. Okay, these people are company that post work. This one, they say that entry virtual assistant needed to contact AD supplier for partnership inquiry. Their pay is $25. Let's click on it to see the details of the work. You see that this is the job descriptions and what they required from you, and the fixed price is $25 per work you did for them. So let's go back, and you see other companies dishing out some works for you if you have the skills. You see that these people have spent $40,000 in seeking clients, working with clients already, and this is the payment they are willing to pay. Estimated budget is $500 if you have the requirement. This sites I'm talking about is Upwork. Don't worry guys, every site that I've mentioned, that I will link it inside my video description below. Check my video description, you see the site that I've mentioned. So guys, don't mind this power blackout, and I decided to use my link light. So if you have all these skills these people need, you can go ahead and apply for this data entry job. And moreover, you have to edit your portfolio to meet the standard, so that if someone will see your portfolio, they will say yes, this person know what he or she is doing. You can go and spy on other people's portfolio, their CV, what they put, what they say they are doing, and you can edit it to suit your own. So far you have the knowledge about what you are doing. So in these 3 websites, I will leave it in the video description box below. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found value on this video that I've posted. So until I see you next time, my name is still KingSomy. Thanks and peace out.